To cook for loved ones is an act of love. You absolutely do not need that stress of a weak range in this scenario. You can get a nice 36-inch gas range to solve all the problems. The best gas ranges out there, they have spacious ovens, they have convection fans, they are so durable, they are just the whole show. Before we proceed, make sure to use our links to land the latest discount for every product we talk about. Let's go now! Number 5. Cosmo EPGR506. Excellent value for money. We will start this one with Cosmo in the top value domain. The 6.0 cubic foot oven provides ample room for large dishes, whether you want to cater to a family dinner or holiday feast. With convection technology ensuring even heat distribution, baked goods come out golden, and roasts are cooked to perfection. Most ovens in this price range struggle to deliver this combination of space and precision. On the cooktop, 6 sealed burners offer flexibility for various cooking tasks. The two 18,000 BTU burners handle high heat demands like boiling water or searing steaks. For everyday cooking, the 12,000 BTU burners are quick and efficient, while the 9,000 BTU burners work best for delicate simmering. This range adapts easily to any recipe, a feature that many competitors fail to match. The stainless steel build ensures long-term durability, resisting wear even in busy kitchens. This appliance makes a practical choice for anyone who needs reliability without the cost of higher-end models. The removable backsplash allows installation as freestanding or slide-in, making it fit into various kitchen layouts effortlessly. Thoughtful extras improve daily use. Oven knobs with LED indicators add both style and visibility, while the sturdy, cool-to-touch handle prioritizes safety. Triple-thick oven glass and a cooling system enhance this further, making it a good choice for families. Safety features like these are hard to find in similar budget-friendly models. For the listed price, you just can't beat this one. Number 4. Thor Kitchen Gordon Ramsay RSG36. Best for ease of use. To make your kitchen experience smoother, you need to start with an appliance that truly works for you. Well, the very first standout feature in this gas range is the adjustable tilt panel touch control. This feature allows easy visibility, full access to settings, all to avoid the strain of traditional flat controls. Simple yet effective, this enhancement transforms cooking into a less cumbersome task because users can adjust settings effortlessly. Equipped with telescopic oven racks, this range enhances convenience just a little bit further. These racks glide out smoothly thanks to ball-bearing guides, which reduce the effort required to handle heavy cookware. Height adjustments come with ease because you can get that space for larger dishes whenever you need it. Unlike fixed racks that limit flexibility, these ensure a more seamless cook experience. And that especially goes for those busy times in the kitchen. The continuous cook grate amplifies usability on the cooktop. With all burners connected, this grate allows pots and pans to slide effortlessly, which avoids interruptions. Far too many other models with separate grates often complicate multitasking, forcing you to constantly lift cookware. This design solves the issue, offering efficiency and flow to your kitchen routine. Outstanding performance backs up its user-friendly features. The broil burner delivers a strong 13,500 BTU output, perfect to achieve a well-browned finish on dishes. Meanwhile, the 22,000 BTU bake burner ensures consistent heat distribution, which means you can handle baked goods with precision. The dual burners further improve versatility, with one that can reach up to 18,000 BTU for high-heat tasks, and another to accommodate delicate simmers at as low as 650 BTU. Thoughtful touches like the panoramic viewing window allow users to monitor their cooking without opening the oven door. This prevents heat loss, ensuring evenly cooked meals. The white projector light on the panel adds a sleek, practical element, making controls and oven activity visible in any lighting condition. We like this one. We really do. Number 3. Frigidaire Gallery GCFG3661AF. Best for healthy food prep. Eating better often begins in the kitchen, and choosing the right appliance makes a big difference. This range leads the way with features designed for healthy meals. Its total convection system offers versatile options to cook in ways that preserve nutrients and flavor. Air fry cuts down on oil, making it easy to crisp up your favorite snacks or sides without the heaviness of deep frying. These capabilities greatly outshine those of standard ranges that typically miss such modern cooking modes. Steam bake and steam roast functions elevate home cooking by locking in moisture while perfecting textures. Imagine bakery-quality bread without dryness, or a roast chicken that remains juicy inside with a golden crispy finish. These are not just conveniences, they're tools that encourage more wholesome preparation methods. Many ranges in its class exclude such thoughtful features, which gives this model an edge for users who prioritize balanced meals. The 6-burner cooktop serves both power and precision. Quick boil burners at 18,000 BTU reduce waiting time by rapidly heating water, while the 5,000 BTU burner allows careful temperature control for delicate sauces or soups. Together, these create flexibility, so whether you're prepping for a quick meal or crafting an elaborate dish, this range has your back. A lot of other ranges often deliver fewer cook options, so you have to juggle these mismatched setups. Nobody wants that. Practical touches make meal prep even easier. The included temperature probe checks the internal heat of meats and casseroles, removing the need for guesswork. With alerts when dishes reach the perfect level, it's hard to go wrong. An air fry tray simplifies the process further by giving consistent results without added fats, making it an effortless way to cook nutritious meals. Details like these show attention to everyday needs. Maintaining this range doesn't feel like a chore either. Steam Clean handles light messes in minimal time, and the self-clean function works for tougher stains. The fingerprint-resistant stainless steel keeps it looking sleek without constant upkeep, especially helpful for families or busy kitchens. An easy thumbs up from here. Number 2. Bosch 800 Series HGS8655UC Best Freestanding Model. A stylish and functional gas range can completely transform your cook space. This model stands out as a freestanding option that fits beautifully into almost any kitchen layout. The pedestal-style feet with that stainless steel finish not only add elegance, but make it easy to place without any need for precise custom adjustments. Unlike built-in ranges, which demand specific configurations, this design offers simplicity we all crave. The oven offers a 3.5 cubic foot capacity, which handles everyday meal prep or baking for a small gathering with ease. Though smaller than some competitors, the space inside makes efficient use of every inch, helping you cook multiple dishes simultaneously. Modes like bake and broil expand what you can accomplish, which pairs well with a wide range of recipes. Broil mode works especially well for crispy meats, caramelized vegetables, the whole cook show. The 5-burner cooktop is designed to meet versatile cooking needs. Its 18,000 BTU burner is ideal for rapid boiling or high-heat sautéing, while the dual-flame ring burner ensures even heat for larger pans. For more delicate tasks, the simmer burner offers gentle, controlled heating, making it easy to tackle sauces without worrying about scorching. Many other gas ranges struggle to provide this range of burner capabilities, but this model stands out by balancing power with precision. Maintenance also feels less overwhelming with the catalytic clean cavity. This innovative feature reduces grime buildup when in use. You cut back on the time and energy you'd normally spend on scrubs. When put up against many ranges that skip this convenience, it's a major bonus for those who juggle busy schedules. Other thoughtful features elevate its usability. The heavy-duty die-cast knobs provide a premium look. Excellent durability too. Touch controls simplify oven adjustments, while the addition of a telescopic rail makes heavy dish transfers far easier. These elements combine to create a seamless cooking experience, even for those without professional skills. Good stuff. Number 1. KitchenAid KFGC506JPA Best Overall. And now the time has come for all you folks to meet this model from KitchenAid, the clear winner for today. This gas range stands out with features that cater to every need. At its core, the ultra-powered dual-flame burners offer immense versatility. With a peak output of 20,000 BTU, they quickly handle high-heat tasks. The precise flame control also allows for gentle heat, which makes delicate tasks stress-free. Consistent results take center stage with the Even Heat True Convection system. This innovative design moves hot air evenly across the oven, which erases common problems like uneven browning. Those pesky undercooked centers are handled in style too. You can roast a tender chicken, you can bake sweet treats. The results are consistently impressive. The generous 5.1 cubic foot oven capacity holds everything from a full holiday turkey to multiple casseroles side by side, giving you extra convenience during big meal prep. Practical touches elevate the usability of this range. The Satin Glide roll-out rack moves smoothly, which allows heavy dishes to slide out effortlessly without fear of spills. Convertible grates on the cooktop adapt to any cook style, so you can raise or lower pans based on the level of heat that is needed. Features like these make experimenting with recipes less intimidating for home cooks. Smart technology brings a modern edge to the appliance. With its Wi-Fi-enabled controls, this range connects to the KitchenAid app, letting users manage cooking settings remotely. Preheat the oven before arriving home or save favorite settings for reliable results every time. Convenience like this transforms how families approach meal prep, streamlining even the busiest schedules. Small details add to the overall experience. The dual concentric oven knob simplifies all the settings into one intuitive control. This design reduces confusion to keep the operation straightforward. You wanted the best, you got it. That would be all for today, guys. We hope this helped. And if it did, how about liking the video and subscribing to the channel? Have a good one and keep it valid.